आपको पता है 10 साल पहले कॉनर मैग्रेगर पहली बार UFC गोल्ड जीता था। 10 साल पहले 2015 जुलाई 11th UFC 189 चैड मेंडेज वर्सेस कॉनर मैग्रेगर। फेदरवेट इंटरिम चैंपियन कॉनर मैग्रेगर बनता है। उस सेम साल दिसंबर में कॉनर मैग्रेगर 13 सेकंड में होजे आल्डो को हरा के अनडिस्प्यूटेड यूनिफाइड फेदरवेट चैंपियन ऑफ द UFC बनता है ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। मतलब पाउंड फॉर पाउंड नंबर 1 को 13 सेकंड में नॉकआउट कर दिया भाई। कैन यू बिलीव एनीवन डूइंग दैट टू इलिया टोपुरिया राइट नाउ? क्रेजी राइट, पागलपंती है। एंड तब से लेके अब तक स्पेशली खबीब फाइट से, जहाँ बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि कॉनर मैग्रेगर की जो सोल थी, उसकी जो रियलिटी थी, जो वो एक्चुअल बंदा था, इट वॉज टेकन अवे, इट वॉज ईटन, हिज सोल वॉज स्नैच्ड बाय खबीब। एंड 2018 से ले अब तक 2025 तक एवरी डे मैग्रेगर की कोई न्यूज़ बाहर आती है, इट्स एन ऑल टाइम लो। 2018 में वो UFC बस को अटैक करता है। एंड देन ऑब्वियसली पिछले साल वी हैड द कॉनर मैग्रेगर सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट केस, जहां ही वाज फाउंड गिल्टी। हमने रिसेंटली उसको देखा इबीजा में पंचिंग अ रैंडम गाय। एंड आज आप सबको ऑलरेडी पता होगा कॉनर मैग्रेगर इज सीन चीटिंग ऑन हिज गर्लफ्रेंड डी डेवलिन। And there were some pictures that came out which I'm not gonna show over here obviously, लेकिन हर दिन is like an all time low for Conor McGregor. How does this keep happening यार? भाई का downfall ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा। It's like हर रोज़ कोई न्यूज़ आ जाती है where it's like McGregor, it just keeps getting worse. वो जो हमारी मेमोरी थी डबल चैम्प की, that guy who went 8-10 rounds with Floyd Mayweather, knocking out Jose Aldo in 13 seconds, वो सारी जो हमारी memories थी keep getting spoilt by Conor McGregor himself. And he's running for the president of Ireland, right? A very strong campaigns, and I think कि जिस वे से वो tweet करता है, he obviously loves his country, passionate about serving his country and its people and fixing, you know, जो भी Ireland में चल रहा है. But things like this when they happen, dude, just keep painting McGregor in that bad light. जो फैंस है, जो क्रिटिक्स है, हर बार मतलब ये चीज़ देख देख के थक गए यार। When does it end? You know what I mean? ये ख़त्म कब होता है? He just turned 37 today. One of my idols forever. But it's tough to say that nowadays. जब वो ऐसी हरकतें करता है, जब हम उसकी ऐसी ऐसी वीडियोस देखते हैं, ऐसी ऐसी न्यूज़ जो बाहर आती है, it's tough to associate yourself and call yourself a Conor McGregor fan. Harsh truth है। एंड मेरे को समझ आता है कि उसके पास अनलिमिटेड पैसा है। विद अनलिमिटेड पैसा देयर इज अनलिमिटेड टेम्पटेशंस। यू हैव एवरीथिंग एट योर डिस्पोजल फॉर फ्री। नथिंग कॉस्ट एनीथिंग, नथिंग इज टू एक्सपेंसिव। आई कैन गो एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, आई कैन डू एनीथिंग। आई एम द किंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। दैट्स हाउ ही लिव्स। एंड मेरी पिछले वीडियो में समवन एक्चुअली सेड व्हेन आई वाज इंटरव्यूइंग अ गाय, people are jealous of his lifestyle because they don't have it.
Okay, another question. Will Conor McGregor ever come back to the UFC?
That's tough. I don't think so. I don't think so.
He's gone?
I think he's out. I think he's out indefinitely. So I used to fuck with him, but
Dude, yeah. But now he's like all like drugs and women and
yeah, he's enjoying life. That's what I would do though. You know what I mean?
That's true. That's true. Everyone says that they don't like McGregor now, but he's living the dream life.
He's living the life that a lot of people want to live. That's why they don't like him.
Yeah, they're on yacht. He's like with women. He's like unlimited money. You know.
एंड आई एग्री टू इट। आई वाज लाइक यस, आई थिंक पीपल उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही ओवरली क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं कि वो वापस UFC में नहीं आ रहा। बट इन रियलिटी इट इज़ वेरी टफ टू कम बैक टू द UFC जब आपके पास उतने पैसे है, जब आपने इतना कुछ स्पोर्ट में कर लिया है। वो जो मोटिवेशन है, वो जो ड्राइव है, एज है, इंजरी है, देयर सो मेनी फैक्टर्स टू टेल हिम नॉट टू कम बैक। एंड अगर तेरे को UFC में नहीं आना, मत आ यार। वी आर ऑल हैप्पी फॉर यू। एंड रिसेंटली मैंने बहुत फैंस के कमेंट्स देखे एंड दे आर वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग। जब भी कोई कहता है कि McGregor डिस्ट्रॉयड हिज ओन लेगेसी, McGregor killed himself, McGregor is a completely different version of his former self. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है डिफेंडिंग McGregor की, dude he accomplished everything in the sport. Like what more do you want from the guy? पहला double champ, he made that crossover to boxing, took the sport to another level. अगर उसकी legacy बस यही थी, and it's not a small legacy by any means, it's one of the biggest and most important legacies in the sport. अगर उसकी legacy बस यही थी, it's okay. Let the man enjoy his years. Let him have fun. अगर वो एक यॉट में अपने बच्चों के साथ है, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ है, let him have fun, dude. He's earned literally hard earned money. He's fought for his money. लेकिन जब ऐसी न्यूज़ आती है, me as a fan, I start thinking कि damn यार, I would just want him to come back. I would just want him to be involved in the UFC scene क्योंकि at least it kept him clean. It kept him focused. It kept him driven. Conor McGregor is a very big fan of competition. Ariel Helwani ने एक बार McGregor से पूछा था कि why come back? You've done so much for yourself. तूने इतने पैसे कमा लिए. You have the satin sheets. You have the silk clothes. You have everything in the world. देखो वापस क्यों ही आना है?
What is the motivation? Because as you know, in the fight game, you reach that point, satin sheets, it's hard to
I've
wake
got the
up.
satin sheets, I've got the silk sheets, I've got the fucking Egyptian cotton duvets and pillows, I've got everything.
So why wake up at 5 a.m.?
Competition, man, competition. It's the best buzz ever. Well, how would you not want to do it? How would you not want to make this walk and experience this whole thing? You know, it's highly addictive, and I'm highly addicted.
कि Conor McGregor बोलता है कि for the love of competition, for the sake of competition, it's the biggest high that you can ever get. And man, it's really, really annoying when things like this happen. तो मैंने ChatGPT से पूछा कि hey ChatGPT, tell me every bad incident of Conor McGregor since his last fight in July 2021. Here are just some of the things. October 17, 2021, an alleged unprovoked attack on an Italian DJ in Rome. March 22, 2022, dangerous driving charges in Dublin, जिसके लिए he received a 2-year driving ban and a 5-month suspended sentence. July 22, 2022, an alleged yacht assault in Ibiza where Conor McGregor allegedly assaulted a 42-year-old woman who later jumped off the boat and fractured her arm. June 10, 2023, Conor McGregor punches the Miami Heat mascot, which was supposed to be playful and supposed to be a joke, लेकिन McGregor hit him really, really hard, and the mascot required hospital treatment. June 9, 2023, same game Miami Heat की sexual assault allegations. A 49-year-old woman accused Conor of sexual assault in a restroom. November 22, 2024, found liable for rape. June 2025, nightclub altercation in Ibiza, जहाँ वो एक रैंडम बंदे को पंच करता है. जुलाई 14, 2025 जो है आज, लिटरली उसके बर्थडे पे we see some insane images, like I'm not gonna talk about those, and we're seeing him without his family with other women. ठीक है, that's his business. It's just that as a fan, dude, I want the best for him. Even though I'm not a fan of him right now, I can never forget how much he's inspired me, and उसने sport के लिए कितना कुछ किया है. Tough to see him like this, yaar. I don't know what to say. I guess that's the way he's become now, and we all have to accept it. But, you know, it's the saddest downfall of any athlete ever in sports. I don't think you could look at anyone who touched the top of the sky that high and fall so massively. It's insane. Tell me what you guys think about Conor McGregor, everything he's doing, you know, the man he's become today from the man that he was. Pata nahi yaar, it's hard to see as a fan. I made a video recently talking about Conor McGregor versus Chandler, वो कितनी realistic है, क्योंकि we saw him talking about the White House event, Dana White से कह रहा था. When you see things like this happen, you question again कि he just turned 37 today. Is he ever gonna come back? I don't think so. Thank you for watching. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.